Hey guys, this is Natalie from Serpstat, and we are back again with another tutorial about Serpstat. But before we get started on that, I just want to give you all a quick information about this lead generation tool that we have over at Serpstat.com. So here you can actually get free SEO audit in less than 37 seconds. So all you have to do is to just fill in this form and then click on the Get Your Free Audit button so that you can take advantage of this offering from Serpstat. And also, if you want a free guide showing you how Serpstat is generating agencies an additional thousands of dollars per month on autopilot, then just fill in another short form here and click on the Find Out How button so that you can get started. Alrighty, so having said all of those, let's go back to our main topic for today, which is still all about Serpstat and their core tool. So we have started on domain analysis, and we have talked about all of these subcategories on the previous videos. And if you haven't watched any of those, then I do suggest that you go and check those in our playlist, because it will be vital in understanding how exactly Serpstat works. But yeah, here you can actually see there are subdomains, top pages, and tree view. So these are all present when we opened the overview. I believe, let me just show you that real quick. So these were in the form of different widgets. So you can see here like top pages. Let's see if all the other ones show up. So I believe we saw top pages, but we're gonna be discussing first about subdomains. So here, I've mentioned previously in the video that we are under subscription to Serpstat. Of course, we won't be able to utilize the tools at all if we're not. But of course, here there are also some limitations depending on the type of subscription you have, and probably this is one of them, because we're not able to use this feature for now. So let's just proceed with top pages. Alright, so here, like the ones shown in the overview, you get a list of all the top pages that are doing or thriving well inside the Serpstat.com domain. So you also have organic keywords here, Facebook shares, traffic, and all of those metrics that measure just how effective these pages are. So let me just go ahead and see this subdomains again. Alright, so I believe you can use it, but for this one you can actually view a subdomain which is still under the main domain of Serpstat.com. So all you have to do is input the domain as well, and you'd be able to get all of the subdomain listed here. So for this one, we only have app.serpstat.com. So next one would be the tree view. So here you can filter out the keywords according to your preference, as well as their position, volume, CPC or cost per click, PPC competition, much like what we have what we have seen on the overview. And of course, you can also change the country, your target country, depending on where your business is located. So for Serpstat, since we are based in the UK, we're gonna select the UK here and see all of those results have changed. So again, you can copy this to a clipboard, you can filter it out, or you can export it as well. So that's part of the features or the functionalities that are available for this specific tool. So that is it actually for the SEO research, all of the subcategories under SEO research, so that the next video will be focusing on PPC research, and I hope that you guys tune in for that as well. Of course, do not forget to like this video and give us a comment of any takeaways that you may have or any thoughts whatsoever about Serpstat. Of course, also subscribe here in our channel, and don't forget to visit the Serpus lead generation tool that I have mentioned earlier. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next video.